What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva, crypto babe. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I got this system I want to show you guys, a free marketing system. I've talked about this before, but I'm back with it again. But before I get into it, I want you to check this out from the CEO himself real quick, and I'll be back to chat it up with you guys. Check it out.
Hello and welcome, and as promised on the previous page, we are going to give you access to this free marketing system that you've been given access to. So you know, the person that shared their link out with you has obviously thought a lot about you and would like you to have access to this free gift. Okay, so right on the inside, you're going to be able to register for free and get on in and start rebranding the system with whatever you're promoting out there on the internet. So if you are currently running a business online, or if you are promoting a business of any kind, if you're in some kind of network marketing opportunity, this system will allow you to promote those businesses, generate leads, and get potential signups into whatever businesses you're promoting. We've got the training inside. We've got access to free viral funnels that we've done for you completely, all designed and professionally designed for you, so that all you need to do is just to plug in the system, get set up. Within minutes, you're going to be able to have the entire system set up and branded to you, and every person that comes through your link to the system is only going to see your join links to the various programs that you've added in here. So, you know, don't wait, get on board. We look forward to working with you, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.
All right, guys, this system is called Mega Marketing Pro. I spoke about it before. This system is free, and it allows you to promote whatever you're trying to promote, whatever your primary business is, as he said on that last video I just let you listen to. Okay, this is going to lead your people, your prospects, into your primary business, or whatever it is you're trying to promote. You can promote up to 10 links, 10 different business opportunities with this system. Okay, and then what's so great about it is you're giving something away for free. You're giving away the system, okay, and then you're giving away this report. All right, so let's go over real quick. As you can see, so you're gonna promote. They have different capture pages. Again, all this is free. So this is just one of the capture pages, guys. You're gonna send people to this page, an example of one of the pages, and when they opt in, okay, so first of all, they see they're gonna get this, so they opt in, and then they get this page. Let me show you where they go. Okay, they're gonna go to this. They're gonna see this page, and this is where they have to register for the free system. Okay, and they check out this little video, and then, okay, let's go to the next step. Let me show you. It's very simple. All right, just promote the capture pages that you're given. Now check it out. And see, when you get inside, guys, check it out. Very simple. It gives you 3 steps to set it up. Okay, right here, step 1. Then you can see your sponsor will be here, and right out the gate, it shows you all your sponsors' businesses that they're promoting. Okay, this will be you. When you sign people up, when people go in the system, they're going to see all your business opportunities. So this is where your money makers are. You're giving away the system for free, and when people opt in, they see what businesses you're promoting. These are the ones that if they sign up, you're going to make commissions from. Okay, so you plug in your business opportunities, again, up to 10 that you can promote. All right, so as you can see, my sponsor has these different business opportunities. Right now, right here it says click here to join Leads Leap. That's the other free system, okay, that it walks you through how to set that up. Another free system, and I already have my link in here. All right, another free system, but it tells you here how to set all this up. Very simple. Just take some time, sit down, and set it up. All right, so step 1. Okay, now also on this page, if you look, Your leads will go in here, right here. Here's some tools: banners, splash pages, email swipes. And so you need leads leaked to be able to get the share codes that you're going to be given in this system here. Mega Marketing Pro and Leads Leap work together hand in hand. So Mega Marketing Pro, the owner, Ed, he created some share codes, okay? In order to use the share codes, you need Leads Leap, and that's a free system too. But if you just follow these steps, it walks you through how to set it all up, right? So step 1, start here, just what it says. Watch this video, okay? Step 2 says what? Get traffic. Start marketing your businesses. Watch the video below to learn how to market your business using the great traffic programs that we recommend you use. You can also brand these links so your downline can join under you. So if you're part of any of these systems or traffic resources that we list, just plug your username in. So when these folks go in the back office and they click these links, it'll be coded to you, okay? But it's a great way to promote everything that you have out here. I don't care what it is. You can use this system to promote it because it allows you to promote up to 10 links, okay? So it says right here, step 2. Let me move this up. Hang on a second. Okay, so you want to watch this video, 3 minutes and 50 seconds, guys. Follow these steps. It's very simple, all right? Get traffic. It even lists right here, do you need some MMP marketing content to promote? Swipes, banners, splash pages. Okay, it's a lot of good nuggets in this free system. Join the traffic programs below and save your user IDs in the boxes. You will be able to promote your affiliate link on these programs if you're already in them, which is what I just said. Many of these sites are free and will give you plenty of traffic. Okay. Step 3, automation. Set up your autoresponder. Again, this is already included, and the autoresponder is Leads Leap, and it walks you through. This is a 20-minute video, but it's going to walk you through exactly how to set up Leads Leap and integrate it with Mega Marketing Pro. They both are free. Now, Mega Marketing Pro is totally free. Leads Leap has 2 versions, a Pro and a free version, okay? But you can use the free version, all right? I'm a Pro member. I went ahead and upgraded, all right, because it gives you way more benefits, all right? So join Leads Leap, okay? So you just continue to follow. Look at all the pages that it has. So right here again, I plugged in my username, okay? So when you go in here, you'll be able to join for free. Now keep going, and you see, look at the capture pages that they have. All these are free, guys, but you need Leads Leap to use them, these share codes, okay? They give you the share codes here, all right? So all you got to do is sign up for free and get the system. It says then just redirect your Leads Leap capture page from above to Mega Marketing Pro. Exactly, but they show you exactly how to do that, and then they give you email follow-up share code messages, okay? So everything is here for you. The autoresponder emails is here. Just copy this, but follow this video to set it all up, guys, all right? Now let me show you. I just clicked on tools. Here's some banners. You can post these banners. Check it out. Large banners, okay? Splash pages, share codes here for all this. Email swipes, guys. This is a totally free system to help you promote your business opportunity. Email swipes and share codes. Lots and lots of the share codes here. Okay, right here. Lead Leap share codes. Again, got to be in Leads Leap. It's free. My Leads Leap share codes right here. Remember, these pages are just templates. You need to edit them. All right, so check it out. Tons of these. I've taken these pages and edited them and made them my own, changed them up a little bit, and I drive traffic to them. All right, look at all these pages, guys. And then here's guides that you can give away to people. Mastery guide, I've used that one to run traffic to. Again, it's about lead generation. You're getting people to opt in. You're giving them something free in exchange for their email, right? When they give you their email, Remember, the system has the autoresponder you're going to set up, so it's going to follow up with your leads by sending out these email drips. All right, guys. So perfect system. Let's see what this one looks like. Look at this one. Wait, start generating viral leads on autopilot. See, you use these pages, they're lead magnets. Drive traffic here, run traffic here, and they're going to opt into your system. And you have a free system, but you're promoting your primary business by using these free systems, okay, as a feeder. All right. I mean, there's tons of pages in here. Here's another one. How to get sign-ups to any business. You see, you're using this system to lead them in to your business. So let's take a look at, let me show you something here real quick. Okay, so I click the button. You'll see this in your back office. Add your businesses below. Add in your businesses of choice. Check out your sponsors #1, then add in the URL of your choice. So when you go in here, you're going to see it says join your sponsor's business. So it lists them here. So I had to list all the business opportunities I wanted to show here. And this is what your prospects is going to see. And this is where your money makers are, right? So if you're already in a business opportunity, let's say you in with me, Digital Wealth Pros, right? Or Exodus Elite, or any of the business opportunities. You go in here, it says add your business link here. Just put your link there, click save. When people go into the system, they'll see your business opportunity. All right, guys, just gonna scroll through here real quick. Check out my businesses. Make money has never been easier. That's one of my biz ops. We close all your sales, no talking to anyone. There's another business. And see, business number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 10 slots in here. You don't have to use them all. I'm just saying there's 10 spaces for you to list 10 different links, okay? Just by promoting Mega Marketing Pro, okay? And remember, you can join Leads Leap through the Mega Marketing system that I'm going to put the link below, because Mega Marketing Pro is going to walk you through how to set this up, okay? They make it easier and show you how to set up Leads Leap. And as you can see right here, here's Leads Leap, and they say it's a free lifetime membership. You have the Pro and the free version. It's up to you. I upgraded. They have different specials that they run at different times. You never know what it's going to be. At the time when I signed up, it was $23 a month, okay? And you earn commissions, guys. You can even earn as a free member 25% if people upgrade. But as a pro, you earn 50%, all right? So go to Mega Marketing Pro because you want to get Leads Leap too, okay? Because Leads Leap has a lot of benefits. One being, let's jump over here real quick. Here's my Leads Leap system. You see I'm a pro member here. Just going to show you one of the big advantages. Let me show you. You can post in here for free. This is where you can post your ads for free, okay? Okay, I went in here and I updated some stuff. As you can see here, I'm a pro member, so I'm able to add 10 ads in here. So as you can see right here, I just did this one, so it's starting to get some traction. I just did this one, but check this one out. 1,219 visits. This is free traffic, guys, okay? Because of the network that they have. The network is huge. So people go into these systems. These are members, so this is not bots. These are real people. They actually click on these links over here, these ads over here to the right, just to see what they are about. And that's free traffic for you, okay? So the views on here is 1,219. Here's an ad I have out. Here's another one I put up. I have 250 hits on this one. Here's another one, 319 hits. 1,458 hits on this one. 421 hits on this one. 2,000 hits on this one. 647 on that one, and 581 free traffic, okay? Just because I posted them on this in this back office here for the pro members. The free members as well, you just have to post you have to earn credits to be able to post. Okay, you're gonna have to click over here to earn your credits to be able to post. But hey, it's free. It's free. Or just upgrade and you don't have to click ads. It's up to you. But either way, it's a great system to use to run traffic. Okay, because what you want to do, and you're building your list too, because remember, the autoresponder and everything is over here. So you're going to run them through Mega Marketing Pro. Okay, you're going to use any of the capture pages that they have for Mega Marketing Pro, right? People are going to opt in. They're going to register. They're going to see all your different business opportunities. It's going to also tell them about getting started with Leads Leap. Once they click that link, that is coded to you. So when they sign up, whether they do the pro or the free, you're getting credit for that. And they're able to see all your business opportunities. You see how this works all together, okay? So go check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description for you for Mega Marketing Pro. Get your free system, get started, and start driving traffic. And we have traffic sources in this system as well, guys. All right, so thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to like the video, please, and thank you. And you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, guys, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.